We are going to respond to anyone who wants to come here and tarnish the name of the EFF or use the name of the EFF to gain relevancy. We are going to respond. Number one, I want to address this issue of people circulating tweets of 2010 saying CIC it was xenophobic and saying those things that are on those tweets. CIC did not have Twitter 2010, 2011, 2012. He did not have Twitter. That Twitter belonged to someone. That Twitter was donated to the CIC by someone. And every tweet in that account will reflect as if it is CIC who tweeted those things. So I want to set the record straight. CIC did not have Twitter in 2010. The dates of which those tweets were tweeted and posted. CIC did not have an account. Number two, Herman Mashaba pulling desperate means, just like any other people trying to be relevant and use the name of the EFF to gain xenophobic votes. The very same Herman Mashaba who said we can never live without foreigners. Herman Mashaba. The same Herman Mashaba who said these foreign people must be documented. The same Herman Mashaba. Today he's using the xenophobic mentality and tendencies to gain votes, because there is nothing else he can offer except saying abahambe. The same way Clayton McKenzie and the PA people did. That is the only thing that can make them get votes and relevance. Is foreigners. Other than that, there is nothing else to offer. He was jumping up and down in borders, running around Clayton McKenzie, saying people must go. Today, he's the minister. He's driving around with blue lights. Abahambe is no more. So, we are not scared by things done by Herman Mashaba. We are not scared of him. We are not scared of his tactics. We know already their tactics. So they are using the failures of the ANC of creating jobs, the failures of the ANC failing to control the gates where there is no fence, so that people cannot come into our country as they wish. And they want to blame the EFF. No one is attacking the ANC. No one is attacking the DA. Those people are in the GNU, the government. No one is attacking them. Herman Mashaba is not attacking them. No one is attacking them. They are attacking the EFF. We are not in government. We are not in charge of Home Affairs. The person in charge of Home Affairs is a white person from the DA. Herman Mashaba and the March about Jacinta and Ngizom Kum. You are afraid of white people. So, we are not afraid of you people. Your tactics are not scaring us until you go and deal with the real problems. The problems which is the ANC and the DA. Until you take up your arms and go to white people. Yours is not scaring us. So let me ask you, Action SA, and all those xenophobic people, what have Herman Mashaba done for South Africans? What? I can tell you what the CIC have done. CIC is feeding 700 people through a soup kitchen in Limpopo every day. What have Herman Mashaba done for South Africans? CIC have provided waters for the communities who did not have water and gave them water. Tell me, what have Herman Mashaba done for South Africans? CIC and the EFF came to the aid of people of KwaZulu-Natal and the Eastern Cape when they were attacked by the floods and their lives were destroyed. It was the EFF who spent $1 million to go and support those people. What did Herman Mashaba do for South Africans? CIC is taking kids to school, kids of the poor masses of our people. CIC is taking them children to school. What have Herman Mashaba done for South Africans? CIC and the EFF have built houses from the coffers of the EFF for South Africans and still continue to build houses for the poor masses of South Africans. What have Herman Mashaba done? What? Tell me. Except saying Abahambe. What have Herman Mashaba done for South Africans? Right? What have Herman Mashaba done for South Africans? What? When white people are abusing our people at workplaces and everything, it is the EFF that is in the forefront defending and fighting for the poor people who are abused by white people. The white people you people are afraid of. It is the EFF that is there fighting for them. What have Herman Mashaba done for South Africans? Let's go. Mention what have he done. What have Action SA done for South Africans? I will mention what have the EFF done for South Africans. And you choose to turn a blind eye to feed your hate for the truth. But the truth will always be the truth. And history will absolve us and the EFF. Tell me, what have Herman Mashaba done for South Africans? I will tell you what the EFF have done for South Africans. Securities and the cleaners are insourced in government because of the EFF. Tell me, what have the Action SA done for South Africans? Except taking Action SA members and go to this useless fired person called Simon who was fired for misbehaving and ill discipline in the EFF, and he went and take his regalia and give it to the people and say wear them and go to the event of the Action SA as if you are EFF members and you are now joining the Action SA. Fikile Mbalula did the same thing. We are not afraid of you. We are not afraid of your tactics. We are on the ground and we are waiting for the South Africans. Tell me, what have you done for South Africans? What have Patriotic Alliance done for South Africans? Let's go. All these Abahambe people, what have they done? March and Gizwe, Jacinta, besides taking money from the white people to come in here and terrorize black people, what have they done for South Africans? I will tell you what the EFF have done for South Africans. I will tell you what the CIC have done for South Africans. Tell me. Let's go. And we are not desperate for your vote. We are not desperate for xenophobic vote. The time for apologizing and being soft when it comes to what we stand for comes to an end. Take your xenophobic vote. We will continue to work for South Africans. We will continue to fight for black people. We will continue to fight white people for abusing black people. We will continue to fight white people for not retaining our land. We will continue to fight white people. What have you done, Action SA, for South Africans? What have Herman Mashaba done for South Africans? What have Patriotic Alliance and Caitlin McKenzie done for South Africans? What? I will tell you what the EFF have done for South Africans. I will tell you. Tell me. Tell us. You xenophobic people. You can take your vote. Time for begging and time for trying to be soft, trying to explain ourselves over and over and over on one thing. It's done. It's done. Don't vote for the EFF. We are there to vote for the EFF. We are there and we will vote for the EFF until the wheels falls off.
Ya sanibona bafethu yabo, khona into engifuna ukunibhekisa kuyona yabo, and yenzeka every 5 years. Ngiyazi ukuthi mhlawumpe abanye benabanako nifokhasa kwezinye izinto ngoba imida isuke nenza nifokhase kulezo zinto, but cela ninawo ukuthi every 5 years la e-South Africa njalo uma sekuzovota kuba nomkhankaso wokuthi kukhishwe abantu bokufika yabo. Kodwa kungenzeki lokho, singatshela ukuthi okay kugcine kwenzeke njani, kukhishiwe abantu abangaki yabo. La e-South Africa sekunomkhuba wokuthi bazama ukusitshela ukuthi singavoteli ini. Amaqembu epolitiki la awasasho ukuthi votela uphathi A ngoba uzokwenza u-1 no-2 no-3. Sebeqhamuka like wonke amaphathi azama ukusitshela ukuthi singayivoteli i-EFF ngoba i-EFF ithanda ama-foreign. So ufuna ungitshela ukuthi wonke-ke lamaphathi lawa amanye akhona ne-South Africa angawathanda ama-foreign ahlulwa ile EFF ya 9%. Makuthiwa uMalema uvikela bokufika, kusho ukuthi uMalema unamandla okuthi uvimba uhulumeni ethi ukhipha ama-foreign. Mhlawumbe kwenzeka kanjani uMalema ngoba indlela ekushiwo ngayo ngazi ukuthi mhlawumpe ama-foreigner la South Africa ngaba awasekho, inkinga uMalema. So mina ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi uMalema wamkhulu kangaka kanti uyini kahle kahle la e-South Africa yabo, president we-country noma uyena umuntu oyiphethe le country? Because abanye basho ukuthi uMalema waxosha uZuma, uMalema umislead i-youth, kanti uMalema kahle kahle yini lenkulu kangaka la yiyona le South Africa yabo. Imibuzo nje eminye yayo enginayo naloku ukuthi nina bafethu anisabe nisabona nje ukuthi kudlalwa ngani la e-South Africa, aniboni ukuthi kudlalwa ngani, ukuthi njalo every 5 years kufanele kube khona kuthiwa abahambe kuphinde kudambe futhi. Nimasha nawo yabo, nina nijoyina amamashi, nimashe nabo abantu abaphethe uhulumeni la. Khona abantu la kunina abamashe la e-KZN uyamasha, umasha noThami Ntuli yabo, umasha noThami Ntuli niyomashela ukuthi ama-foreigner awahambe. Kodwa uThami Ntuli yena uyi-premier, uyena ophethe, uyena ongenza ukuthi awahambe angalokhu emasha, wena umashe naye. Ngike ngabona kwenye indawo kuthiwa imeya ihlela ukuthi kumashwe abantu, bamashela ukuthi ama-illegal immigrants must go. Nani niyavuma ukuthi imeya ihlela imashi leni ningabe nina nimashela kuyona imeya niyoyitshela ukuthi yini wahluleka ukhipha ama-foreign? Nawu Herman Mashaba we-Action SA uyakhankasa la uthi and nizokhipha ama-foreigner yena mayeba yimeya, but still thina sikwazi ukuthi siphinde simashe nemeya, sithi imeya imashela bani imeya ngoba iyona ephethe. No bafethu, please asivukeni yabo. And into ebuhlungu kakhulu le ukuthi i-KZN iyona i-playground ukuthi njalo labantu laba bepolitiki babona ukuthi abantu base-KZN yilimi. Njalo makuzovota uzwa kuthiwa angiboni nje ukuthi ukhona umuntu wase-KZN ozovotela i-EFF. Like uyini wena? Mhlawumbe uyisangoma, because abantu ngisho noma ungathiwa uhamba naye umuntu amashe manje abe operation Dudula mase kuvota usuke uwedwa lapha. So yini le nenze nibe neshow ukuthi akekho umuntu ozovotela i-EFF? No bafethu, zamani okunye lento le kade lento lenisho ayisebenzi, i-EFF ayifi. Kunini nithi yini uMalema uthanda ama-foreigner ekazavotela, afike lamaphathi lawa oGates Mackenzie babagijima baze baye ngisho emngceleni abahambe, but still abakwazi ukuthola amavoti angaphezu kwe-EFF yabo. So yini kahle kahle le niyifunayo? Because yonke lento eshow uMalema iyiqiniso, just idinga ukuthi wena ungabi umuntu ocatshangelwa ama-influencer. Mhlawumbe uhamba nomoya ko-Facebook ukuthi makuthiwa uthi abantu bathi yabo, kufanele ube umuntu ube-independent thinker, ukwazi ukuyicabangela wena yabo ngokuzimela kwakho. Nina inkinga manje niyacatshangelwa yabo, and abanye benu bebese nje indaba ukuvota kwani, kodwa manje ngoba ama-influencer ase-influence-ile, so wena uphambili uthi hey sizovota, kodwa uMalema somkhombisa like awuboni ukuthi kudlalwa ngawe sonke lesikhathi.
You know, this March and March people just keep on proving to me each and every day how much of a tribalist cult they are running. Like, these people are all tribalist. The people who are in charge of the March and March campaign, the people who are striking each and every day, waking up every day, closing businesses in South Africa, some businesses that were meant to function because they are lazy black sisters and brothers. They do not want to work, and when they get called into order, they start complaining because they know that there are stupid people who are in charge of a campaign called March and March that will go to their businesses and close those businesses. I saw this video of Ngizwe Sunu closing a white business. I think it's a stairs or something. He was closing that business because there are people, there's people, lazy people who do not want to work. When they get called into order, they will call him because they know that he has nothing serious to do with his life. He will run there because he wants fame. In this time where Elon Musk and Donald Trump and the United States, they are threatening our country with sanctions. They want to sanction our country. They are busy giving those people a reason to sanction our country even more, so that we do not get business from other countries all over the world, because they are acting like hooligans, like monsters, like baboons, monkeys, and all those things. You know what? These March and March people who are at the forefront being used by the white elites to damage our country, to divide black people, they are the ones who are going to make sure that this country goes to the pits. We will be poor because of these stupid Zulu people in the KZN. Jacinta just gave out an apology. I think it was yesterday, for her previous post back then when she was young, when she was busy insulting people from Limpopo, calling them, saying that they should vote for Mugabe, saying that Tsonga and Venda, they do not sound good. So now today she sends an apology, saying that she apologizes. She was still young, but in actual fact, Jacinta does not want to apologize to the people of South Africa, the people that she offended back in the day. She's only apologizing because she will lose the sponsors from the people who are in charge of the politics, who are funding them each and every day. The same people who are buying Phakalam Tagati cars, the same people who are buying Ngizwe cars, the same people who are sponsoring her, Yena Jacinta, with those apartments that she lives in, those cars that they, whatever salary that they get from the white people who are using them to divide us. When they do not apologize, they will lose those sponsors. So that is why they are apologizing. So when Jacinta, you want to tell me, Corey, 2 weeks ago when you were busy in the Eastern Cape singing Shangani Sugan Releni, you were still young. Were you still young 2 weeks ago when you were singing that song? Jacinta, you think we are stupid like the Zulu people? You think all of us, we are like you? We will listen to whatever stupid thing that you want to tell us? Let me tell you something. You people will rot in hell for the things that you are doing to the African people here in South Africa. You will rot in hell for insulting and violently beating my people who are here to make a living for themselves. You will rot in hell. I want to call out all people from Limpopo who are in the KZN. If you do not feel safe in the KZN, because we had rumors that that person that they were insulting this March and March people is from Limpopo. Whoever does not feel safe in the KZN, who is from Limpopo, we are urging you to come back home to Limpopo. Let us build our own communities, or go to Gauteng, because in Gauteng we are dominating. In Gauteng, as stronger people, Tembisa is dominated by us. We are the majority of the people there. Alexandra is dominated by us. We are the majority of the people there. Soweto, we dominate Shawela. We dominate Orlando. We dominate some places of Deep Kloof. We dominate Bramfisher. Bramfisher belongs to us. All of those places. So the things that they are doing this March and March people, the business that you are running when a black person from Limpopo in KZN, because these people, as I was saying, they do not know how to tell the difference between a Shangani person who is not legal from Mozambique and a Shangani person who is legal, who is here in South Africa. So to them, you are the same thing. To them, you are the same thing. So you will always be insulted. So move from KZN, come to Gauteng. Here in Gauteng, when they do whatever shit that they will try to do to you here in Gauteng, we will show them that this is not their mother's land. This is the land for all people who are staying in South Africa. So my Tsonga people, my Venda people who are in KZN, we are saying, come back to your province, Limpopo, come back to Gauteng. In Gauteng, we dominate Gauteng. We are there in huge numbers as Venda people, as Tsonga people. They do not they are not the dominant tribe in Gauteng. We are the dominant tribe in Gauteng. Come back to Gauteng. We will fight with you. We will protect you. Whoever is going to have a problem, because I hear that they are coming here in Gauteng, whoever is going to have a problem with these people in Gauteng, let us know. We will come out in numbers as the Limpopo people who are being disrespected by these foolish people. We will come and show them this land does not belong to them. It belongs to us all. Ayikho indoda enomthondo ufana nowami. Ayikho indoda ene big machine ukufana nami ezovuka ekseni yakhuluma lento ekhulunywa yilabafana. There is no man on the planet who knows how to satisfy a woman who will speak like this man. So now we actually see what is motivating these march and march protests. It's not that the Nigerians, they are taking business, or the Ghanaians or the Zimbabweans, they are taking business from South Africans. No, it is because the Zulu women, the Xhosa women, they love the Nigerians, they love the Zimbabweans. By our time, that is why labafana lava, they hate Shangani people so much. Kuyabonakala ukuthi these boys akunanto apha bathini ngapha phambili akunalutho. Kuyabonakala ukuthi there's nothing. You guys don't know how to satisfy your woman because so much anger for a guy who has a bigger dick than yours. Bafana bami, you know, now I'm starting to understand ukuthi why nina maZulu nihlezi ni group kunamadoda kuphela lapha ehostel kunamadoda kuphela ngeke uthola umfazi. Into yenu ukuthi nina namagay kahle kahle. You boys are gay people. That's why your women, they run away from you. They come to us, amashangani. But stand up with amashangani. That's why Ben Pizinkula Eastern Cape. Shangani suga ndleleni. Kanti nizondela lento le ukuthi abafazi benu bayasithanda. And uPapa Penny, he said it. Mina bengithi uPapa Penny hayi azithi mzala. Kanti ngiyabona ukuthi uPapa Penny was right. These boys, they hate us because they are women, they love us. That's why bona bahlala bayi group. And nakhona abafazi nje bangathanda indoda amagay. Abafazi ngeke bathanda amagay. That is why ungizwe bekaloka busy alandelelana noSomizi emuva, alandelelana noSomizi emuva. Nina namagay bafana bami. Ngiyanibona nina ndlala ngendunu nina. Ngiyanibona. You boys are gays. I see you. That's why Shalani group. That's why nina mandla angaka. You have so much power. It's because namagay. Ngiyayibona mina le ndaba le nina namagay. And you know, there's a study that was made a couple of years back. They said, in the study, they said a lot of wars that have been started here in the world are started by men who have small dicks. That is why those men, they start wars. That is why those men, they want to just to kill people, is because they have small dicks. They can't satisfy their women. That is why nina bafazi abaningi ngizwile ukuthi bathi hey ungizwe unabafazi abayi4 uyenzani ngabafazi abayi4 ngepipe encane. That is why labafazi benu bayanijolela nathi amashangana. Yiyo le ndaba leyo ukuthi ene ngiyabona mina umuntu athi ama-Nigeria bafundisa abosesi wethu ukuthi lento yakhothwa. Bafana yaziwa lento. That's why nina abafazi benu bahamba bafuna thina amashangana. And amashangana or ama-Nigeria or ama-Ghanaians, they are not the ones who taught your women lezinto lezi. That is why nina you are directing your anger to the wrong people. The people who taught women ukuthi lento iyadliwa abelungu la ukuthi nina niyabasaba ukuhamba niye lapha ema-suburbs niyolwa nabo. It's the white people through pornography. Pornography was created by white people when they wanted to colonize us mentally, because they always wanted us to think about sex, so we do not really focus on the important things that we have to do in life. It is not ama-Nigeria who taught your women ukuthi lento iyadliwa. It is not amashangani. It is the white people. Mara when you are directing your anger to the black people, the people that you should not be fighting. Black people don't own OX videos. They don't own Pornhub. They don't own angazi ukuthi yini lama site wonke lawa. They do not own that. And umfazi ngeke you can't force a woman to stay with you bafethu. Makasifunela ishangani uzifunela ishangani, wena noma ungaxosha leshangani uthi malihambe uzojump ibhoda alilandele ishangani because linomthondo.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. My members e-EFF defender CIC wabo bathi hands off our CIC and bayasho ukuthi right uMalema for protecting foreigners, dragging Bongizwe Mchunu uphakela umthakathi Jacinta nabo Zandile Dabula kuzilendo labayendako wrong. And remember, say EFF oyakhombisa ukuthi they will always stand by uMalema. Bakhona labamshila but khona laba who are still loyal to uMalema, who are saying ukuthi bayovala kufa khona uMalema njengoba sivile bamdefender. Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.